So the business entity transcript basically gives you entity information about that business. So for example, it has the business's filing obligations, what their filing requirements are, what specific forms they're required to file, the establishment date of the business, important elections like an S Corp election. All of that will be on a business entity transcript. However, there's two versions of this transcript in the IRS. This is a work in progress for the IRS. There's this complete version that gives you all the information that I told you and more. Now, that version is difficult for us to get a hold of because it requires a specific use authorization. That is a Form 2848 or an 8821 that specifically asks for the business entity transcript. Now, with specific use authorizations, we have to go ahead and send those directly to the IRS. While we're on the phone, they don't get recorded with the IRS, so we can't use the transcript delivery service, that e-services tool, to go pull them. So very limited. The IRS is working on getting us this complete version so that we can pull them automatically and have this just on our ability on our regular authorization. More to come on that one. There is a limited version that's available now. It's not very helpful. It just gives you basically the name and the address. We probably already know that information, but you can see where this is going. This is going to be very helpful, especially if you get a new client. You want to know and check to see what are their filing requirements as recorded by the IRS, or you want to confirm elections and other things like that. That business entity transcript is absolutely critical information and avoids a big IRS phone call that could actually be confusing when you talk to them about what are their filing requirements and when this transcript should be able to include all that information.